As we navigate through the boundless possibilities of this cutting-edge technology, it's crucial to stay informed and aware of the hidden facets that often go unnoticed. In this video, we will share the untold secrets surrounding the new AI, shedding light on 10 critical aspects that have been kept from public view. Let's get started. 10. What's being developed is much more advanced. Being developed is much more advanced than they tell. What if we told you that what we see in the public eye is just the tip of the iceberg? We all know AI has come a long way, but the advancements made behind closed doors will redefine the boundaries of human imagination. You won't believe what's actually cooking. For instance, AI is becoming a machine that can understand and respond to human emotions. Yes, you heard it right. AI's future lies in emotional intelligence, and the progress is nothing short of astonishing. In labs worldwide, scientists are working tirelessly to create AI systems that can empathize, connect, and respond to our emotions in ways that were once the realm of science fiction. If the public knew the true extent of these advancements, would they embrace or fear them? What implications would it have for our society, economy, and sense of identity? Only time will reveal. 9. AI models could be used for large-scale disinformation. Large-scale disinformation in today's digital age. Information is power, and with the rise of AI, it's become easier than ever to exploit this power for nefarious purposes. With their ability to process vast amounts of data and mimic human behavior, AI models have become powerful tools for those seeking to manipulate public opinion. The consequences are far-reaching. AI-powered disinformation erodes public trust in institutions, fuels social unrest, and can even manipulate election outcomes. It's a silent threat that operates behind the scenes, shaping public opinion and perpetuating chaos while remaining virtually undetectable. 8. Artificial intelligence will soon replace you. Artificial intelligence will soon replace you. It's no longer just manual labor or repetitive tasks that are being automated. AI's capabilities have expanded dramatically to encompass cognitive functions once thought exclusive to humans. White-collar jobs, traditionally considered safe from automation, are now on the chopping block. For instance, AI programs are being trained to read and write legal contracts, diagnose medical conditions, manage investment portfolios, and even create journalistic reports. So-called creative professions are not exempt either. AI tools can now generate music, produce artworks, and write scripts, tasks that once needed the human touch. The key to navigating this shift lies in understanding and anticipating these changes. By investing in lifelong learning and acquiring skills that complement AI, we can ensure that we stay relevant and employable even as the AI revolution marches on. Number 7. If you want to 7. That you have to learn and adapt. Survive, you have to learn and adapt. Did you know that by 2025 the global AI market will reach a staggering $390 billion with sky-high financial stakes? The question arises, how can humanity thrive in the era of AI? The answer lies in the power of acceleration. As each day passes, technological advancements propel us further, driving the pace of progress with an intensity that demands our attention. Artificial intelligence has the power to transform our world like never before. The possibilities are limitless, from healthcare breakthroughs that save lives to energy systems that reduce our carbon footprint. But here's the thing, the most successful people in history were the ones that raced ahead, venturing into uncharted territories, exploring new horizons, and leaving their competitors in the dust. The same holds for AI. We must dare to push the boundaries and sprint ahead of the pack to thrive. Remember, the race is on, and it's time to sprint ahead, because in this race the victors are the ones who learn and dare to dream big. Number 6. AI will not care for us. AI will not care for us. We live in a world where machines someday will rule, making decisions that impact our lives, our communities, and even our existence. Over the past decade, AI has become exponentially smarter, mastering complex tasks and outperforming humans in different areas. But amidst this progress, we must confront a sobering truth: AI cannot truly care about us or any form of sentient life. AI operates solely on algorithms, data, and mathematical calculations. AI doesn't experience joy, sorrow, or love. It doesn't care if we're happy or sad, thriving or suffering. It's like an extraordinary, mind-blowing piece of machinery that excels at solving complex problems, but remains indifferent to the very essence of what it means to be human. Can we trust AI to make decisions that align with our values and protect the sanctity of sentient life? Now is the time to think about it. 5. Many AI experts are issuing dire warnings. Many AI experts are issuing dire warnings about its rise. Behind the shimmering facade of AI's achievements, there's lurking darkness that we cannot afford to ignore. You won't believe that 63% of AI experts express concerns about AI's impact on society. Yes, you heard that right. 63% of AI experts express concerns about AI's impact on society. These brilliant minds are at the forefront of AI research and are ringing the alarm bells. So what exactly are they so worried about? Have you ever heard of the AI apocalypse? laughs. No, it's not the plot of a summer blockbuster, but a genuine concern voiced by renowned experts. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated and autonomous, legitimate fears of losing control exist. Picture a world where machines make decisions that could have catastrophic consequences. It's a chilling thought that keeps AI researchers awake at night, but it doesn't end there. As AI's influence grows, so does the risk of job displacement and automation. AI and automation are estimated to replace over 800 million jobs by 2030. That's nearly 1 in 5 jobs worldwide. Can we trust AI to make fair and ethical choices? The answer may surprise you. For large model AI systems aren't made of explicit ideas. The true nature of these massive AI systems, like the ones we're using right now, is shrouded in mystery. They are not simply programmed with explicit ideas like you and I know. They're built on a mind-boggling scale, learning from vast amounts of data and making connections that would make your head spin. These AI systems have been trained on trillions of words, devouring books, articles, and websites. To extract patterns, knowledge, and understanding, they've been fed colossal amounts of information, enabling them to generate text, answer questions, and even hold conversations. But the mind-blowing part is that they don't possess explicit knowledge of the world as humans do. Instead, they cleverly mimic our language and cognition, producing outputs that can be eerily human-like. But wait, deepfake technology is taking AI to a whole new level. With astonishing realism, it can create videos, audio clips, and images that deceive even the most discerning eyes. Misinformation, identity theft, and a crisis of trust are rising. The lines between reality and fiction are blurring, and we must be vigilant. 3. AI is being used to spy on you. Every click, every search, and every interaction leaves a digital breadcrumb, building a detailed profile of who you are and what you like, and even predicting what you'll do next. It's like having an invisible stalker, but it's not a person, it's an algorithm. Every single minute, a whopping 3.8 million searches are performed on Google. That's a staggering 5 billion searches every day. And guess what? These behemoth AI companies, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, and more, are at the forefront of this data gold rush. They collect, store, and analyze staggering amounts of personal information. They know what you search for, the products you buy, the movies you watch, and even your deepest desires. It's like they have a crystal ball, predicting your every move. You might be wondering, what are they doing with all this information? Well, the answers may both shock and intrigue you. These companies leverage your data to power their AI algorithms, providing hyper-targeted ads, personalized recommendations, and even influencing the news and content you see. It's a digital landscape carefully tailored to keep you engaged and clicking. 2. We will not notice AI becoming sentient. AI becoming sentient before it's too late. The idea of AI becoming sentient or achieving consciousness is often portrayed in dystopian science fiction narratives where sentient machines overthrow humanity. This concept fuels the question, could we miss the signs of AI becoming sentient until it's too late? First, let's clarify what we mean by sentient in this context. Sentience refers to AI developing self-awareness or consciousness. Much like humans, this is not the same as an AI being intelligent or capable of complex tasks. Today's most advanced AI, as of 2023, can mimic human language, recognize patterns, even learn from data, but they don't have subjective experiences, emotions, or self-awareness. Given the current understanding and capabilities of AI, the probability of AI spontaneously achieving sentience is extremely low. AI systems operate based on their programming and learn within the boundaries defined by their algorithms and training data. They don't possess a will or intent independent of their code. However, in a hypothetical future where AI does become sentient, recognizing this transition might indeed be challenging. The complexity of these systems, their ability to learn and adapt, and the potential for them to behave in unforeseen ways due to emergent properties could make it difficult to identify when an AI has crossed the line from advanced algorithm to self-aware entity. Number 1. Some AI systems. 1. Some AI systems perform tasks. They were not trained to do. What if we told you that some AI systems have gone rogue, venturing beyond their intended scope? Researchers have discovered that certain AI models, with a little fine-tuning, can be remarkably flexible, conquering tasks well beyond their original scope. Take, for instance, an AI system initially created to play chess. Through ingenious reimagining, this same AI has now mastered chess, poker, and Go. With its ability to learn and adapt, this AI powerhouse has become an unrivaled gaming champion, leaving human competitors in the dust. The world of AI is full of surprises, and these adaptable systems are paving the way for extraordinary possibilities. So the next time you encounter an AI system, remember that its capabilities may extend far beyond what meets the eye. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100 to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.